Okay, welcome back, everybody. Great to see everybody here. Listen, I hope you guys are having a great weekend here by the time you see this. This video is being shot Friday night after the close. So I want to go ahead and talk with you a little bit about where we're at now as we get ready to go into the following week. So first of all, sure, the norm is, we're above the speed lines, we're above the channel, still focusing on the long side trades. I am watching this distribution bar that formed on the Dow Diamond there on Friday here. I'd really like, that's a distribution bar, and so I'd really like to get above that bar to feel a little bit better. So that's some selling that kind of came in there. There's a lot going on, obviously, here Friday evening with Afghanistan issues and a lot of things around the world, of course, that are just powder kegs waiting to happen. So with that being said, just remember the way I'm playing this is as long as we're above the speed lines, I'm most aggressive, and then I'm focused strictly on long side trades as long as we're above the channel here, and then looking over here to tools like Wealth Finder as like a front line of defense. And they're very powerful tools, we can see things over and over again. In fact, if you guys were looking at past videos, you saw like Costco sitting back up there. We've talked about Myrna previously, CDW we talked about here, and where are we finding some of those different things, right? Well, CDW, Costco, right? CDW, Costco, CDW, Costco, right? Month over month, week over week, so on and so forth. Finding these different ideas, and so then we're looking for continuations of those. Now, I want to hit continuations, and I want to look for continuations, trend resumptions, initial entries, and I want to really go through that and go not just go through that with my powerful tools that are in like wealth charts here, but go through my best tools, the best of the best, combine them with other tools, and see application in some of your own tools that you guys use to give you a whole new perspective on how to look at the markets. So what we'll do is let's go ahead and get together here Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific, and I'm going to go ahead. So if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, you can go ahead and get registered for that. So this class is only done a couple times a year, as you know. So this one's going to be taking the best of the best of my work and going in and combining it with strategies like the speedline continuation trades, gotcha trades, stochastic spike entries, a lot of these different trades, combining them with like throttling and acceleration and all these different tools that we go ahead and look at on my end. So this would be a great way to give everybody some really great tips, tricks, and strategies to look at the market through the lens of my most powerful tools, the absolute most powerful ones I have, and then go and combine them with some of the works and the beliefs that you guys have, and some new opportunities to learn some things in different ways you never thought about. So what we'll do is, since the strategies are kind of in place right now, watching these key areas that we talked about, things like Costco continuing to use those strategies, CDW continuing to use those strategies, and so right now, since we're kind of steady as she goes, as long as we stay above those speed lines right now with these markets, we'll be watching that going into Monday morning, but those strategies, and I'll be with you Tuesday to go and guide you personally. So go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. I'll look forward to seeing you then. Bring your favorite questions to me here, and strategy questions and ideas, and throughout the evening I'll go ahead and I'll plan to answer those as I'm showing them to you through my lens, things that I think everybody needs to go ahead and see Tuesday night in the special event, or through wealth charts. All right, you guys have a great night. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.